Hello, and welcome to this video comparing WordPress maintenance with the stability of Laravel. We will examine the chaos of relying on plugins versus the clean, stable development experience of a modern framework. WordPress starts simply. It's a quick, easy choice for websites, thanks to drag-and-drop simplicity, thousands of pre-built themes, and a quick time to market. You can launch a site in hours with minimal investment. However, as needs grow, plugin dependency starts piling up, creating the plugin tower effect. Each plugin is a separate codebase with its own vulnerabilities. This introduces compatibility issues and degrades performance, with an average WordPress site having 20 to 30 plugins installed. A single update can break everything, creating an update domino effect. This can result in 500 errors, broken layouts, the white screen of death, and data loss. As one e-commerce site owner noted, an update caused a broken checkout and a $15,000 loss in sales. Plugin conflicts are everywhere, causing bugs and instability. Common scenarios include JavaScript wars, database collisions, and hook hijacking. A staggering 67% of WordPress developers report weekly conflicts, with an average resolution time of 4.2 hours. The WordPress stack has too many moving parts. The interaction between the hosting environment, WordPress core, the theme framework, and the plugin ecosystem creates a fragile architecture. With over 125 potential conflict points, teams often spend 40 to 60% of their time on maintenance rather than building new features. Security in WordPress often feels reactive, revolving around a patching cycle where developers scramble to update after a vulnerability is discovered and an exploit appears in the wild. 90% of hacked CMS sites are WordPress, with 52,000 plugins having known vulnerabilities. The admin dashboard never sleeps, with a constant burden of plugin updates, conflict resolution, security monitoring, and backups. This weekly maintenance workload can range from 5 to 11 hours. At a developer rate of $75 per hour, this translates to an annual cost of $97,500 just for maintenance. Performance starts slipping as plugins and layers grow, leading to the performance death spiral. Bloated codebases, database bloat, and render blocking scripts result in an average load time of 3.2 seconds. Every 1 second delay reduces conversions by 7%. Customization gets messy, leading to the quote, duct tape development cycle. Developers resort to piling snippets into functions.php and using important CSS overrides. This technical debt is costly, making customization 3.5 times longer and introducing 60% more bugs. Scaling becomes stressful. Simple sites struggle with traffic surges and database strain as visitor counts increase. WordPress excels at content publishing, but was not designed for complex, high-traffic applications, leading to performance issues for sites with over 10,000 users and monthly hosting costs exceeding $500. Maintenance turns into a full-time job. Instead of focusing on business growth, a developer's time is spent on monitoring, troubleshooting, and patching. The opportunity cost of 25 hours per week on maintenance leaves only 15 hours for innovation, highlighting a non-sustainable approach for many businesses. Now, let's look at Laravel. It offers a structured, modern framework built for stability and control. Laravel provides built-in security, a clean architecture for organized, scalable code, and a focus on developer joy with elegant syntax and powerful tools. Laravel is built with structure in mind, utilizing the MVC pattern for clean architecture. This provides clear routes, logic controllers, database models, and view templates. Benefits include organized code by default, better team collaboration, and easy navigation, leading to teams reporting 40% faster feature development. Laravel offers fewer surprises and greater predictability. It enables controlled dependencies through Composer, comprehensive testing with PHP unit, and version control for the entire application. The result is 95% fewer surprise bugs and an 80% reduction in firefighting time, fostering deployment confidence through identical development, staging, and production environments. Laravel encourages a maintainable and readable codebase with elegant syntax. Features like eloquent ORM, blade templating, and artisan CLI simplify development. This means 70% less code to write and 50% faster onboarding for developers. Security is built in with Laravel, including a complete authentication system, bcrypt hashing, and CSRF protection. Eloquent ORM prevents SQL injection. Laravel consistently receives industry praise for its robust security practices, securing your application by default. Performance is intentional in Laravel, not an afterthought. Built-in tools like caching and the queue system optimize execution. With no plugin bloat, Laravel apps typically load 3 to 5 times faster than WordPress sites, achieving fast response times and supporting over 10,000 concurrent users. Custom features fit better in Laravel. You can build exactly what the business needs, including custom workflows, API integrations, and robust role-based access. This dedicated approach means custom features cost less long-term because they work as intended. Laravel is scalable by design, ready for enterprise-grade growth. It supports horizontal scaling, database scaling, and microservices. Companies like BBC and Pfizer run Laravel at massive scale, supporting millions of users with high uptime. Laravel is better for serious applications like SaaS platforms, e-commerce, and internal tools. It provides a foundation for complex use cases where custom business logic and high traffic are expected, a foundation WordPress can't match. Developer experience matters, and developers love Laravel. Its excellent documentation, thriving community, and powerful tooling like Artisan CLI make coding satisfying. Laravel consistently ranks as the most loved PHP framework in developer surveys. Switching to Laravel means less firefighting and more productivity. Teams typically shift from 80% fixing to 80% building, allowing them to deliver 4 times more features in the same time frame. This represents a massive gain in efficiency. Laravel grants full control and ownership over your code, including routes, database, APIs, and permissions. This complete customization freedom means you're not constrained by plugin limitations, and you can evolve the application on your own terms. A reliable Laravel architecture provides peace of mind. Smooth deployments, predictable performance, and proactive security contribute to high team and client satisfaction. Teams report higher job satisfaction and lower stress levels. WordPress still has its place for simple content sites, blogs, and basic marketing sites with tight budgets. Its strengths include a massive ecosystem and easy content management. However, its limitations become apparent when customization or scaling is required. Not every project is simple. As complexity moves from moderate to enterprise, the plugin-based approach breaks down. If you're experiencing frequent breakages, plugin workarounds, or performance issues, it is time to consider a framework approach like Laravel. Choose based on the future. The WordPress path offers quick launch and low initial cost, but leads to high long-term maintenance. The Laravel path has a higher initial investment, but a lower total cost of ownership over 3 years, saving you money while delivering more features. The transformation journey moves from constant firefighting and security anxiety with WordPress to peaceful development and confidence with Laravel, resulting in significant savings and quadrupled feature delivery. The investment in Laravel pays dividends for years to come. Choose a foundation that supports your business instead of slowing it down. Build smarter, grow easier. Laravel is built to last, allows you to ship faster, and provides the peace of mind to sleep better. Now, start the conversation and make the switch.